Welcome back, everyone. It is day 12. Today we're going to check out iMpc Pro 2. It is on the Apple Vision Pro store, and we're going to see if it works. So I've downloaded it. Let's open it up and check it out. So I'm just going to open a default project up. And just like Tabletop, the Retronym apps use audio copy to open everything up. And they have some really good sample packs in here too. You should check this out. So I'm just going to open the hip hop one up, and then we'll go through, see how the hand and touch coordination works on this one. Let's take a listen to this.
Yeah. Need to pick me up, walk down the street.
I'm not even going to say nothing. Let's listen to this again.
Yeah. Need to pick me up, walk down the street, get starbs. Name spelled wrong on the cup, get bubble tea, bubble tea. Bubble tea, bubble 1, bubble 2, 3. Blobs of goo and sugar like soda. Big fat straw for sucking up that boba. Go see the fellows at Panucho's. Keep it live, making tacos, making them panucho.
Oh my God. Retronyms. I'm not even going to say nothing. Okay, so that's the default hip hop. Okay. Anyway, let's load something else. Let's load the trap. Let's see what the trap sounds like. Alright, so the pads are responsive. Everything on the left here seems pretty responsive as well. All right, let's check out everything on the bottom. Tracks. Let's see how easy it is to maneuver things on the grid. All right, it seems to be getting stuck on this grid. Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying everything, so it's just getting stuck on the grid. All right, I'm going to play with a couple of things because I see I'm getting stuck a lot on this app. Like it's not free. It's like freezing for like 3-4 seconds before it does something. And again, these apps are not made for the Apple Vision Pro yet. I don't know if the developers are going to bring them over or not, but you know, we have to be happy with what we get because they're technically not supposed to be here yet. Yeah, see, even the mixer is getting kind of stuck. You know, all the other apps, pretty much 9 out of 10 of the ones we used before were working and running much more smoothly than this one. I don't think we're even going to be able to get a full beat or even a 4-bar loop out of iMpc Pro today. Yeah, see, I think this is going to be one of the apps that is not usable. Yeah, see, even the knobs over here are acting a little crazy. One thing I really loved about this app was this feature right here, the little turntable, and how you were able to bring everything in. Well, it seems like this is also stuck. Yeah, here's the pop-up, couldn't connect. Yeah, so I just don't think the iMpc Pro is usable on this Apple Vision yet. Still a great app if you guys still use it on the iPad. They also have it for the iPhone. I'm gonna try to bring in another to see if it was just that one or will it work with let's try this one. Now, if this sounded good, that's how you would record your audio into the iMpc Pro. But it's all staticky, it's a mess. I probably shouldn't have even activated that mic setting in the beginning. But if you wanted to, you can trim it here, you can chop it up in here. And I have tons of iMpc Pro tutorials I'll leave down below in the description. You know, so some things are responsive and some things just aren't on here. It's a lot of freezing up. So hopefully, you know, it'll work in the future. We still have time. You know, Apple's still pushing out these updates on these Apple Vision Pro. There was one last night. And I'm sure developers will start getting on it and throwing their apps on this. There's still a ton of apps I can't wait. I hope that they come over. Now I just want to look into a couple of things before I close this out. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you another quick app just quickly that's actually made for the Apple Vision Pro that I found by accident last night. iMpc Pro is just not working well yet, so I'm going to cancel this out and I was in here looking for the new audio kit app that they dropped specifically for Apple Vision Pro, and I found this one here. And you guys know I love drums, so I thought this is pretty cool. Let's open this and check it out. So yeah, it's called Table Drums. As I was looking for this, the one below it from Audio Kit, I seen that, and it stopped me dead in my tracks. So as you can see, this is a whole new environment. I believe this is the White Sands one. So I downloaded this one. Let's check it out. It says basically you place everything on an actual tabletop, and then when you tap it, I guess you get your drums. All right, pad, speaker, pad handle, and speaker handle. Not sure why everything is super low. Let's try to move these. Can you click these? Okay, so these group them together. Got it. So let's move these up. And these move the pads. So let's put the pads on top of this flat surface here. Oh, this is pretty cool. I don't see any option to record though. Right, there's no, the table ends right there, so it's a little harder to hit that one. But I'm literally tapping the table and it's producing the drum sounds. This is cool. Gonna try to do some double hand action, see how accurate it is. What are these? Can I even touch these to do? All right, it's a little wonky. All right, so that was like a little wonky, a little delay. I have it right on top of the table surface, so it should be fine. All right, so it's a little, it's not very fast, if you understand. Like I'm hitting this faster, and it's a little bit of a delay. I'm gonna turn this pointer off to see if it's better with just eye to hand coordination. Now let's just set this up here again real quick. So yeah, it seems like the faster you go to hit and play them, it's not working as well. Yeah, there's a major delay. There's a major delay on this. It's not accurate, but it is a cool idea. I'm sure it has to do with the way you adjust these on top of the table as well. I'll try one more time to readjust them. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good when you hit one at a time, but when you really start to speed up a little bit and try to play, it doesn't grab it as well. So this app definitely needs some work. I also don't see any record option. I mean, you can always screen record, but it would be cool if it was 100% accurate and had that record option in it. Maybe these are speakers. Let me see. I'm going to move them around to see. Oh yeah, you can hear it when you pass from left to right. These are the speakers then. All right, got it. So I guess if you wanted to like pan some percussion, you can, if you wanted to pan the hi-hats, you can swing them around left or right. Pretty cool idea, just not there yet 100%, but I thought I'd show you guys since the iMpc Pro is not working well. I figure I'd add this in to show you guys what I found. Thank you guys for watching. Check out the previous videos below. I'll leave all the links down below in the description. Hit that subscribe and notification bell and appreciate the view. Have a great day. Peace.